Adeline, you're playing with your barn? And those are all your animals? Let's get your animals out. What animals are in there? Right here. Look, right here with Mommy. What animals are in here? Let's get them out.
Cheese.
Cheese, yes, cheese. I know. But can you sit down so we can get the animals? What is that animal? Oh, it's stuck. Okay, we'll help you. Oh, there, you almost got it. Okay, now, let's talk about what are these animals. What is this one? What? Neigh? What does that one say? She's saying, what's that? And that's a pig. What does a pig say? Say, oink, oink. What is that? You know what that is. Bah. Yeah, that's a sheep. What's that? A moo cow? What does a cow say? Moo.